Viewers and subscriber, Wagwan, welcome forward to the channel. I know the next thing, I don't know how Momo go on, so she go on like every influencer, she have them file. You see it? And she there and she say she have the way file still. If I don't know, so the way and go around them and them little thing there, them I say, yo, the way want to sleep with all like a chance and them look something there. So yo, I don't know what really take place now on social media. No? So if you don't know, if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and just go and subscribe to the TV, yeah man. Or be a bagger, go and just forward and just hear more. And yo, and next thing, oh not nice like some girls. So.
You know, say you don't like it. That's for worry about.
Momo have the evidence. Hey, Momo have the evidence, and when she come up with the transgender thing, you're frightened of her run under my arm. So you didn't know say my transgender, them I true me did that talk, I tell the world some me I like no evidence now.
What transgender?
The lady called me name yesterday, that nice I say. Me know, me have the evidence about doing transgender.
I lie.
When it come out, me talk about the transgender, when him did want marry her in Canada, me him run underneath her arm and she have to take up for him. So the tell the words I like, me did not tell. I mean I know about the married arguments either. I only know what the transgender sent me. Cause me not even the way the man look like a girl. Me never do. Until the person start rock it down, give me. And them time they show me that ball and a cuss your husband, you know. So my name at about Momo have the evidence. Don't call me that name. That's why I'm vex. Don't call me name. Why your husband by yourself, bumble wall? If the man let him know, love me man. Just don't call me name. But done with it from long time. What my name for? But Momo have evidence. They have evidence when y'all drive go and go look for man. A man send me message where you want text while you're there with your husband. Bumbo clot. And I said when him see you leg them, turn him off. Me have enough things in my phone.
Alright. But that, why did the bitch are in a making something key over
act like you're saying the 200 toxic and then you come by your act innocent. Me ever go run through. I'm gonna run quick boy pick me.
That's it.
Me make man with all of the money in the world feel done with them. Cause me make you feel like me like you and the next day after me don't take the money, my God, me don't look back to. I saw me deal with boy. And it's going to be another one, and another one, and another one. And me rate who me want rate and love who me want love. And not everybody get that love here. Right now, currently, Sika love though, you got mad out about that. Sika get all of the love, Queenie. But we coming like two Papi Show. So wait, are you one supposed to be Papi Show on Cartel Internet?
Yeah.
Are you one supposed to be Papi Show on Cartel Internet? Eh? You want Cartel and me rhymes. How it go? How it go? Me good though, cause the man a claim me. I'll know Cartel no look for you.
No, Rita, Momo. Oh, you
I'll know
feel.
Cartel no look for you.
No, ask that question. Oh, you don't feel married to a woman and hear your wife where your married say, yo, not nice, more suck out. And oh, you don't feel as a man.
But when she come up and start talk about suck out, but the boy never did that come up. Remember say him supposed to renew him thing in England in August, you know. I remember they did say it to her. And him never come back. She think him did a come back. But we did all the plans not coming back. When you are ball out, so the mother them did not look divorced. She must have the things a joke.
But I told you. So him licky and could hold out. You see me? That's why I'm running back out. Not never go off him. And them want to keep that. See me? Them run go, but then idea the divorce
is going warring thing go on.
Yeah.
Plus the little warring thing go on. So him did need a place to stay out for a little bit, couple days before him left. No, me said this morning him get up and cuss me, but I need to remind yes. I'm tired him already have a box to give him. But I like when Because I could do a night. Well, status, here, nigga, y'all can't do no nights. But I could do a night. I could do nights. Come in, I send a man phone, you know. Come here, a bad girl in a real life. That's one thing me know. He love war with man. I'm a owe you a lick from you there for life with Queenie and did a class me up and I never do nothing to you. But me say this man, him did a class me again too. Him no know, him know why him black me, you know. I mean, see boy pan fly and show up on a party. That's how me get to work. I never know.
I watch it for the next video. I thought I either, you know, if that kind of post, because what in their queen, I'm a friend of mine, say, not nice, not big, yo.
Yo, what was in
Yo, listen,
Brooklyn,
when they
bro?
are queens,
When
I'm a
he
friend.
went to Cali, niggas
Really,
was
I'm a friend in
sending
the
me
room.
pictures.
Listen, man, in
Oh.
the room, I'm a friend of mine, queens, mom. I'm telling you, yo, man, them beg me, say, no, not nice. I will in the room. I don't want look, no, I mean, look bad, career. I say, listen, we can slap in them place, and man, I say, yo, Lord, I'm glad. You see me,
That's what they
say,
said.
no.
Come here. Me never see it yet, but me sending a style me this morning. I saw me here. But you know people mix up. So me don't know how it go. I want to know how it.
I waste material, man. I look on them, man. Right now, I'm focused on this back every day.
I don't know how it go, but me did that. Me don't know.
I need 20,000 before the year done. I'm gone a little already, so
Yeah.
alright.
I was about to not supposed to end the argument. You are the same age group. You have 2 man for me. My father only 4 years old. I'm half me young at 17. And you don't never see on internet a skin argue with girl and them something them him hack him age group. So just allow me. Me not look for you for months. I mean notice every time you come back, the only come back you have no don't do your work at the food. Can't believe say you work you become the worker. The man know say you did a go run off your mouth yesterday, then him drop song now, cause I already did have song. And that now work for no career, no career.
Finito.
On the well want the music. People push me for the music. I don't care to do the music. Wrong with people are push me. I don't care for music. I don't want me celebrities and stars so bad. I don't know real life. Money in a real life. I want to know some pity them good. So me don't care about likes and numbers. Likes and numbers are kill you know, and give you disgrace and draw you down. I got through the worst year of my life and I'm still right now I feel like I start age backwards to put an onion. You're the biggest onion me know. Queenie remind me of them purple onion there. You need to wash off and turn the white onion now. Every minute you just ball. Love my man. But oh, me said that story on Ray. Go see that big tear woman learn some self-love and self. I can't even cost you to come and feel sorry for you. Your life just sad. One day you want to come on into I'm happy. The next day you have blood clot ball over man. Man turn you in a Google head. Big tear man. Man what could be your son. Man what can be a beatney. Well look for you when the whole world know no want you. Not to
Momo,
the wedding ring, you just have by your hand like itty boo.
Momo, listen, everybody have them own full of road. Cause remember, enough of them I say, I run back here and look on them and them are clowns. So I say it go. Everybody have them own clowns. Then, but the fact of the matter is, stop